Hey guys, so as you can see, no one is in the building. See? And it's getting darker a little bit. And because it's already 4 or 5 o'clock here, I cannot see it while I'm filming because I'm so busy. And yeah, so as you can see, nothing has changed a bit. As I was telling you can see the sky with bird. Oh, you see that? I think they're couple, and I'm gonna show you in the ground floor. See, if you hear my blowing sound, I was blowing the dust in here. You see these dusts? So dusty and sandy because when it goes to a sandstorm in UAE, it will get all sandy. And as you can see, the building is quite small. I think this will end in 2017. I'm thinking 2017 because it started in 2014, but it's not yet finished. And this tall one, I think it's almost finished. And if you can see this, sorry about my finger, and with the ladder one, I think that's gonna be the rooms. And yeah, so if you can see that bird right there, oh, you cannot see. Oh, here. Oh no, if you can see, it's walking. No birds. Okay, so if you can see this blue or green, I think it's green. Yeah, it's green. It's green net, and I think it's quite messy. I don't know what this do to buildings. Oh, I think they use it for not messing up building. And the bird is lost. See, no birdie now. I don't know what is this. If you can see that big one, like it's with line on it, tell me what is that. So bye.